We delight in the beauty of the butterfly, but rarely admit the changes it has gone through to achieve that beauty. In this yoga tutorial, we will go over Baddha Konasana, also known as butterfly pose. This is a sitting posture that may look simple, but it is challenging for some. It requires practice to achieve the full beauty of the pose. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get flowing. From a comfortable seated position, begin to bring the bottom of your feet together, drawing the feet towards the pelvic floor, relaxing your knees, lifting up your chest with your chin parallel to the ground, shoulders down and back with the crown of the head pointing up to the sky. If your flexibility is limited, you may place blankets or yoga blocks under your knees. And if your body has more space, let's explore some variations. Once comfortable, bring the fingertips down to the ground and walk them forward. Continue looking straight ahead, making sure that your back is straight and your shoulders relaxed. If you feel that you have the space, you may rest the forearms down on the ground as you continue looking straight forward. If you have even more space, fully extend your arms as you rest your forehead down on the ground. As you breathe, notice and explore your limits. Keep it soft or make it harder depending on your level of flexibility. No matter the variation of your choice, remember to keep pressing your feet together and feel fine with the fact that your thighs may not be touching your mat. Remember to be gentle to yourself as you keep breathing, holding this pose. Slowly begin to come out of the pose by walking your hands back to your feet and completely lifting up your chest. Remember that this pose, just like the butterfly, requires a gradual change of hip flexibility to admire the full beauty of the pose. So keep on practicing. Namaste.